Goobers, guess what? Niko Knight came along with me and I told him, yeah, you need to wash your clothes because you kind of stink. And I didn't know, he didn't know the difference between a washing machine, dishwashing machine, and all that. And yeah, I had to pay the price for that. And yeah, my wife made sure I learned a lesson or two. Oh, why me? Why me? Why?
Guess what? Niko Knight went with Snappy to a laundromat, and Niko Knight didn't know the difference between a washing machine and a dishwashing machine. So he didn't know anything between the two. So he took a lot of stuff with him. He took his homework, a sandwich, he even put Snappy's stamp collection in it. And Snappy got really mad about that. Well, guess what? Snappy's wife got really mad. This is really funny. You gotta check it out. Guess what? I went to one of those places that washes clothes and stuff, and I understood it was like a washing machine, so I didn't know that you only can wash clothes and stuff. And something happened. It was all Snappy's fault because he didn't make it clear to me. I took all my stuff with me. Guess what? I took with me. I took my sandwich with me. I took my cell phone with me, and all that other stuff. And then I put his dishes into it, and his wife got really mad at me. I don't know why, but it was kind of fun. And all that, and I really enjoyed doing that. And guess what? At the laundromat, we were only supposed to wash clothes, but I didn't know that. So I put a thing into that, and it was still fun. But Snappy's mad at me, and his wife is like yelling at him a lot. His wife is really, really yelling a lot.
I know, sweetheart. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's all my fault. Yeah, I know that. I took him along. Yeah, I know. It was one of those pay washing machine things. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry about that. Yes, ma'am. I didn't know he was going to put dishes into it. I didn't know that. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, he put paper plates and styrofoam cups in it, too. He didn't know it was a washing machine for clothes. Yeah, I know. I know I have to pay for it. Yes, ma'am. I know that. Yes, ma'am. Well, he put my stamp collection in it as well. I didn't even know that. Yeah, I know. You know, your voice sounds like sweet angels singing praises. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I know. Don't she sound really pretty? No, I wasn't talking about you. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes. Yes, I know. I won't take them next time. I know that. Yeah, okay. No, I wasn't talking about anything like that. No. Yes, ma'am. What have I gotten myself into? Ah!